Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this gorgeous and very beautiful paper quilling butterfly greeting card along with these lovely pink and white flowers. So I will share each and every step of how to make the butterfly wings along with all the petals, the background, the distressed stenciled effect, everything I will share from scratch. And this is a greeting card, so you can write any special message inside. So without any further delay, let's start with the procedure. Here I am taking the white paper, which is approx 12 by 9 centimeters. I have folded this white paper into half and drawn the butterfly wing on one side. I have just cut both the layers together. So after opening both the pages, you will have the beautiful butterfly template. And if you can't draw, I have given the same template design in description box. You can download from there. Now I'm taking black color cardstock, which is having 300 GSM thickness, and tracing my butterfly pattern on top of this. Now we just need to cut the extra paper so that we can work on the butterfly easily. Now I am taking black color 3mm strip, folding it into half, add glue and connect both the parts together to create thick strip. So thick strip is ready. Now taking back my butterfly template, and on the edge of the butterfly design I am going to stick this black color strip. So add glue on the edge and start sticking your strip on the edge nicely. Just wipe out the excess glue immediately using wet brush, and with the same method we have to follow the design all over the pattern. So after covering the butterfly from the edge, it should look like this. So our base for the butterfly design is ready. Now to make the inner part of the butterfly wings, here I am taking one strip of medium blue color in 3mm and making one teardrop shape. Then taking 1/3 strip of yellow color and making one tight coil. Sticking the teardrop with tight coil, keeping it aside, and then I'm taking 1/4 strip of dark blue color and making one loose coil. So sticking the loose coil with the previous shape. And now wrapping this whole design using white color strip. So this is done, and with the same method I have prepared two more small same style petals. For the upper parts I have used 1/4 strips, and the teardrop is made using half strip. So for one wing we need 3 petals. Now here I am taking orange color strip, just creating 3 loops in increasing order, cutting the excess strip, add little glue, connect the yellow strip with this and making 3 loops again. Cutting excess strip, add glue and connecting medium blue color strip with this and making 4 loops. Cutting the excess strip, add little glue and secure this. So it should look like this, and with the same method I have already prepared lots of same kind of petals. So this is the one which I have shown. These two are made using 2 orange, 3 yellow and 3 blue loops. The one is made using 2 orange, 3 yellow and 2 blue loops. And last 3 are made using 2 orange, 2 yellow and 2 blue loops. So for one wing we need these kind of petals. Now taking again medium blue color strip and creating total 4 loops. Here I am showing you the upper wing loops. Connecting orange color strip with this. Making total 2 loops again. Secure the end and connecting yellow strip with this. Making 3 loops with yellow strip. Cutting the excess strip, secure the end, and it should look like this. So with the same method I have already prepared the petals of different size. So according to the space you have to decrease or increase the number of loops according to the color combination. So this is also done for upper wing. Now taking back my butterfly pattern, and it's time to construct the wing. So starting with the upper wing, first I am connecting these loop petals which we have created and then filling the remaining gap with the loop petals. So this is done. Similarly, I am going to make the other side of the wing. Now here I am taking 1/4 strip of medium blue color and just making the bended petal like this. Similarly, I have prepared already some more bended petals. So I have done with left wing completely. Now I am showing you the remaining part of the right wing. First I am connecting these bended loop petals on top of each previous petal. Then filling the remaining gaps using some tight coils which are made using half strips, 1/4 strips and 1/8 strips. So according to the space you have to fill the gap using the tight coils. And this is done. Then I have prepared some small teardrop shapes using half strip of white color in 3 mm and 1/4 strip of white color in 3 mm. So filling these remaining gaps. And the beautiful, both the wings are ready. This is looking absolutely beautiful. Now starting with the center part. So in the top and in the bottom I am adding some teardrop shapes which are made using half strips in white color and yellow color, and also filling some gaps using tight coils wherever required. And this is done. Now our butterfly is completely ready, so I am just fussy cutting the excess black paper around the butterfly shape. And this is completely ready. So pretty and so gorgeous. Now I am going to connect the antennas later when I am going to stick it on the card. Now I am starting with making the filler flowers. So here I am taking half strip of light pink color in 3 mm and making one tight teardrop shape, connecting total 5 petals together to make the flower. Like this. Now to create the center of the flower, here I am taking hole punch machine and punching red color paper. So you have the beautiful circular design, connecting it on top of the flower in the center, and this is done. With the same method I have already prepared lots of filler flowers. Now to make next filler flower, here I am taking half strip of white color in 3 mm, making one tight teardrop shape, joining total 4 petals together and adding pink color punched circle in the center of the flower. So with the same method I have prepared some white flowers already. Now to make big size flower, here I am taking half strip of peach color in 3 mm and making one teardrop shape like this, and then I am taking half strip of red color in 3 mm and making one Malaysian flower petal. Folding it like this, add little glue, connect the teardrop shape inside this and wrapping this whole petal using peach color strip. So the petal is ready. Now I am joining total 7 petals together. Now to make the center of the flower, here I am taking 1½ strip of red color in 3 mm and making one tight coil. And sticking it in the center. So flower is ready. Similarly, I have prepared one more. Now to make leaf, here I am taking 1/4 strip of sap green color and making one small leaf shape petal. Similarly, I have prepared some more leaves already, and also I have prepared some scrolls in small size using light and dark sap green strips. Now to create card base, here I am taking 30 by 15 cm white color cardstock, folding it into half, and on top of this I am going to stick orange color cardstock square which measures 14.5 by 14.5 centimeters. Then on this I am adding white color cardstock which is 14 by 14 centimeters. So our beautiful card base is ready. Then here I am taking Candied Apple and Wild Honey Distress inks and using this beautiful stencil by iCraft. So just doing little stenciled effect on both the corners of the card using the yellow and red distress inks just to match with the butterfly wings. It's completely optional step, but it will enhance the beauty of the card. So this technique is very popular to create backgrounds for your card. Just blend it nicely using blending brush by Dress My Craft, and as always I have given all the supply links in description box if you want to purchase anything. Now I am adding few splashes of black color paint here and there just to add a little shabby look. Sticking my butterfly in the center diagonally, but before that I am going to put my big flowers underneath the butterfly, and on top of this I am going to stick the butterfly. So it will have little 3D effect. All the flowers will come underneath butterfly, and it will pop our butterfly design little more. Now it's time to fill the remaining portion using beautiful filler flowers in pink and white color, and also I'm connecting the leaves and scrolls here and there. And this is done. Then to make antenna, here I am taking 1/4 strip of black color in 3 mm and making one open coil like this. Similarly, I have already prepared other antenna with the same method. Now taking back my card and sticking the antenna with the butterfly like this. Then at the end I am adding sentiment Stay Blessed, which I cut on blue color cardstock and did little shading from bottom using dark blue color, and this is the die by Dress My Craft. And for the final touch I am adding some water droplets here and there to give natural look to the card. These droplets are by Dress My Craft, and our card is getting completed. So the beautiful butterfly with the flower is looking absolutely stunning. I'm very much happy with the outcome, and that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos, and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. I'm waiting for your comments. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.